breaks over the factory wall. Coffee cold in a chip ceramic cup. Mama's up before the rooster calls. Third job this month, but the rent's still stuck. Kids asleep on a mattress on the floor. Daddy's cough sounds like a distant storm. We used to dream of something more. Now we're just keeping the lights warm. The bills stack high like the mountain snow. The boss says work harder, but the pay stays low. We're the ones who built this town brick by brick. Now we're just ghosts in the shadow of the rich. Oh, Town Lullaby, sing me to sleep, where the dollar's thin and the hope runs deep. We're the hands that toil, the hearts that bleed, in the land of the free, but we can't afford to breathe. Town Lullaby, echo through the streets. Mama's cry, daddy's silent defeat. We're the backbone broke, the forgotten few, singing for a change that's long overdue. Grocery store, the prices climb each day. A loaf of bread costs what a day's work paid. Old man Joe down the block passed away. Couldn't afford the pills, so he just faded. Church bells ring, but the collection plate's bare. Pastor says pray, but the bank don't care. We're all just trying to keep our heads above water here, while the CEO's yacht sails somewhere out there. The bills stack high like the mountain snow. The boss says work harder, but the pay stays low. We're the ones who built this town brick by brick. Now we're just ghosts in the shadow of the rich. Oh, Town Lullaby, sing me to sleep, where the dollar's thin and the hope runs deep. We're the hands that toil, the hearts that bleed, in the land of the free, but we can't afford to breathe. Town Lullaby, echo through the streets. Mama's cry, daddy's silent defeat. We're the backbone broke, the forgotten few, singing for a change that's long overdue. Moonlight spills through a cracked window pane. Kids wake up asking when will things get plain. I hold them close, whisper soon my love, but my voice shakes like a leaf in the wind above. There's a rally downtown, signs held high. Workers united, but the cops roll by. Tear gas and batons, they shut it down quick, saying keep moving, nothing to see here, citizen. The heat gets cut off again. Mama wraps the kids in daddy's old flannel shirt. We huddle close, tell stories of when grandpa had a union card and the world didn't hurt. Now the union's gone, just a memory. The company moved south where the labor's cheap, left us with a ghost town and a broken dream, and a government that don't hear a scream. The bills stack high like the mountain snow. The boss says work harder, but the pay stays low. We're the ones who built this town brick by brick. Now we're just ghosts in the shadow of the rich. Oh, Town Lullaby, sing me to sleep, where the dollar's thin and the hope runs deep. We're the hands that toil, the hearts that bleed, in the land of the free, but we can't afford to breathe. Town Lullaby, echo through the streets. Mama's cry, daddy's silent defeat. We're the backbone broke, the forgotten few, singing for a change that's long overdue. Dust falls over the factory wall. Coffee's gone, but the kids are warm. Mama hums a tune, soft and small, a lullaby for the ones who keep holding on.